Good.
Sup?
Dead man walking.
They had to spray paint the hay. Wasted.
Get him, Brandon.
Hey, Brandon, hold up. Sup?
How's it going, David?
Got my L96 AGM sniper rifle.
Is this your new course?
Yeah, we built it today.
Who's this young man?
That's Brandon Goodella.
So who won the war?
2010 Biker Boys.
All right.
Not yet. Nobody has yet.
Uh-huh.
Well, it's David's winning because he just got me in my finger, so it's bubbling up. Yeah, it's 4-3. Here, I gotta go put the L96 in.
Nice course, guys.